Hey guys, and welcome back to another weekend vlog. It's Friday the 16th of April today. It's just past 3 p.m. and I've finished work. I was very productive today. I got heaps checked off my job lists and I was able to get a few loads of washing done as well, the perks of being at home. And now I am going to trial walking 2 dogs for the first time. I've been taking Willow on little walks by herself and then walking Mia on her own as well. So shall be interesting to see how I go with the 2 of them, and that will determine how I go tonight with the dogs, taking them to Kyle's soccer game at 7 p.m. So Mia's been to a couple of soccer games, but this will be Willow's first soccer game. So should be interesting. And then probably when I get home after trialing their walk, make dinner and get ready to go to soccer. So that's the plan for today. Otherwise I will probably talk to you sometime tomorrow. Good morning guys, it is Saturday the 17th of April, I think. Yeah, and it's just past 11 a.m. in the morning, so pretty much I've just gotten up, made breakfast and have been editing my weekend vlog that will go up tonight at 5 p.m. Just to get a head start on that. Yeah, so last night we took the dogs to Kyle's soccer game, so Willow's first soccer game, and they did really well actually. Mia usually just sits there and whinges constantly if she's made to sit still, but because Willow was there, she was a lot better. I was able to just get her to stay there for the whole time. I had a little bit of a walk with them, but not much, and then yeah, they pretty much just stayed sitting down or lying down. Which was amazing. So if they have more 7 p.m. home games, I probably will start taking them more often. And I'll just stay on the other side where there's less people and less distractions for them for now. But yeah, so today I will finish editing my video, and then I've got to do some food shopping because we've run out a couple of things, so I'll do that today. And then I think we're going out for dinner with a few friends as well. Tonight. I just don't know where just yet. We haven't decided and what time, no idea. But that's the plan for today, and I'll take you along. Alright guys, I thought I'd just give you a quick shopping haul of what I picked up for our weekly groceries. This is quite a small one actually, but I've just got some tissues, poppers for Kyle, iced coffees for Kyle so he doesn't run out for the week, eggs, bagels, chicken tenders to have in the freezer, a couple of quiches, bag of cheese, frozen berries for my protein oats I've been making, some chicken nibbles, pies for Kyle if he wants them for lunch, some milk, pasta packets for dinner, taco pack, aioli French dressing, mayo, some dippets for snacks, my favorite chicken shapes, just because I'm craving them, a couple of protein balls, dips, cabana, and then we've got mushroom, tomato, cucumber, bananas, capsicum, avo, lettuce, and some corn for the salads for dinner. And then I thought I'd try this caramel marble chocolate, so picked that up also. But I'm going to put this all away now and might make myself some lunch. Hey guys, so just an update for today. My video is exporting and uploading to YouTube now as we speak. So I'm just going to put away all the washing I did yesterday and then get ready because we are going out for dinner, like I said earlier. And we've got a location now. I can't remember where, but I know we'll probably leave around 6:30 and it's about 4 o'clock now. So hopefully that will take up some time. Once I do that, I might start editing this weekend's vlog. Hey guys, happy Sunday. It is 4 p.m. now and I thought I'd take Miss Willow to the dog park to see how she goes. So we've just driven here. Mia's at home just so I can see how she goes. We might just stand near the fence and see what she does, and then depending on that we'll take her actually inside to see how she goes. But this is her first little dog trip. Otherwise today we've just been lazy watching Blacklist. And yeah, did a bit of cleaning and now I'm here. So wish me luck and I'll hopefully get some footage. Depends on how crazy it is or not. Over. Yes, good girl. update, guys. We just came back from the dog park. She did really well. She did so good, didn't you? Yes, you did. So I've got some footage there, so you would have seen that already, but I'm heading home now. She looks very tired, probably gonna sleep. What's she gonna do? Ready to go. She's so cute. She did so good. So yeah, we're gonna head home now. That'll probably be the end of my day. Just watch movies and stuff with Kyle now. Thinking about doing pizzas for dinner, and that's about it, and then back to work. That's the end of the video now, so please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to stay updated for when I post my videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.